It takes a team to improve the quality of life for people with disabilities, giving them the independence and access they need for everyday living.
And the best teams include the people with disabilities and their families, physicians and other allied health professionals, case managers, and members of our MedGroup National Rehab Network.
The Rehab Network is an association of independently owned and operated rehabilitation and home medical equipment providers. These rehab technology companies excel because they go beyond providing products and offer comprehensive technology services. You'll find that our Rehab Network companies are located all over the United States.
When you work with one of our members, it's immediately evident that they're trained professionals who really care about consumer needs and are committed to long-term partnerships.
All of our Rehab Network companies have three essential components. First, they provide the highest quality technical expertise in our industry.
Their good business sense helps create a network that's financially solid.
And nowhere else can you find better clinical professionals than the members of the Rehab Network. It's because they respect people's needs, and as a result, are active listeners who make sure the consumers get the appropriate equipment and service for their individual needs.
The Rehab Network company is represented on the team by a rehab technology supplier, or RTS. Along with other team members, the RTS starts the process by conducting a comprehensive evaluation of the consumer's needs and requirements.
From the evaluation, the RTS is able to specify and select the right technology and products.
After completing the necessary paperwork and approval process, the equipment is ordered, assembled, fit, adjusted, and delivered to the consumer.
This individualized process and high-touch service makes rehab very different from typical durable medical equipment and home medical equipment, DME, HME, like commodes, walkers, and hospital beds.
The Rehab Network members show their respect for each person by getting these products and services delivered in a timely fashion. Before we move on, I want to mention that most of our clinical experts are credentialed through NRRTS, the National Registry of Rehabilitation Technology Suppliers, and through RESNA, the Rehabilitation Engineering and Assistive Technology Society of North America. My partner Barbara has headed over to our technical workshop where she'll show you some of the rehabilitation technology.
Our Rehab Network members provide enabling technology designed for consumers with long-term disabilities. That can be wheeled mobility, seating and alternative positioning, ambulation equipment, augmentative communication systems, and even technology that can control the environment when needed for certain disabilities. All of our products and services address the physical symptoms of the disability and assist people with their daily activities, giving them access and independence to increase the quality of their lives. The Rehab Network members establish long-term partnerships with consumers, continuously maintaining, adjusting, and servicing products, aware that consumer needs change. Now that you've had a chance to see their technical expertise, let's take a look at the business side of our member companies.
Our Rehab Network companies have solid business practices that help keep them financially secure. They also make good use of cutting-edge technology to help them run their businesses more efficiently, especially when filing prior authorization requests and claims with Medicare, Medicaid, managed care organizations, and other insurance carriers. Being a more efficient company really shows respect for our customers because then they're not forced to wait for paperwork to be processed, delaying the delivery of needed equipment and services. Our members know what it takes to be effective business partners.
Besides good business practices, all of the MedGroup National Rehab Network members follow the highest standards of ethics in the rehab equipment industry.
And those are the standards of practice established by the National Association for Medical Equipment Services, or NAMES.
An important part of being an ethical rehab technology company is making sure that the consumer gets the right equipment for the appropriate price. That means offering cost-effective options that meet all the clinical objectives.
Earlier in the program, we mentioned that it takes a team to improve the quality of life for people with disabilities. One member of our team, Simon Margolis, would like to share with you his insights on the Rehab Network.
Good rehab technology companies listen, understand, and care about consumer needs. They're also able to react quickly and provide the most appropriate technology and services. My work with the companies of the MedGroup National Rehab Network has let me see firsthand the quality products and services of these caring professionals. You deserve the best, and the best comes from the members of the Med Rehab Network.
Throughout this program, we've given you an overview of the benefits of working with the MedGroup National Rehab Network.
We also highlighted for you the 3 components that make our rehab network companies unique.
First, that they are professionals all the way, from listening to consumer needs to delivering quality products and services.
They are technical experts in the rehab industry, ready to create and maintain the appropriate equipment.
And finally, they are efficient and organized business people who show they care by putting consumer needs first.
For excellent rehab technology, equipment, and services, make the MedGroup National Rehab Network a part of your team.